Are you tired of losing business because your patients can't qualify for medical financing? Then Finance Your Care is for you. With Finance Your Care, getting your patients the treatment they need is easier than ever. We can connect them with over 3,600 lenders. And the best part? Their credit score remains untouched during pre-qualification. Completing an online application is a breeze. They give their basic info, and our system takes care of the rest, pre-qualifying them based on their credit history and debt-to-income ratio. Contact us and our finance manager will get in touch with you within 24 hours to get your practice on board. It's that simple. It is super simple to start offering better financing to your patients. So why wait? Visit financeyourcare.com today and join our team of practices. Remember, your patient's health is priceless, and with Finance Your Care, affording it doesn't have to be difficult for them. We're here to help every step of the way. Finance Your Care, a better solution for patient financing.